Hey there, today we're going to look at how to activate your TD Bank debit card online. So let's get started. First, call the TD Bank Activation Center using the phone number on the sticker attached to your debit card. Over here, follow the prompts given by the support system, and once done, your card will be activated. After that, open your browser and go to www.td.com, then press enter. Over here, choose your region at the top right, click on personal at the top left, and then select login. Then enter your username and password and click login. Under the account tab, click on the activate debit card button. Over here, type your card number and CVV code. After that, enter a new PIN and confirm it. And your TD Bank debit card is now activated. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.